to be honest with you, I just want them to finish, man, so I can get this off of the truck, finish putting up my equipment. So what's up, drivers? Took a lot of pictures, did a lot of filming on this load. Just make sure when y'all securing this, it's basically like 4 separate pieces, and on close inspection, I didn't realize this was 4 separate pieces, but I still secured it in the front, I secured it in the middle, and I secured it in the back. And then something just told me, put some more extra securement, partially like in the middle, closer towards the front, which I did, so I tied it down. But if I would have just went without securing basically this piece right here, probably would have went flying. But y'all be safe and enjoy your ride. I mean, I just hope to never get one of these again. Seeing it head first. It's your T-hook. T-hook, John Deere Securement. I never seen nobody do a video on this. Excuse the wind. T-hook securement right here. So, how do you use a T-hook? Why is it called a T-hook? Shaped like a T. So, this is my T-hook right here. Drop the hook down into the rub rail. And what I'm doing is trying to create an angle so I get tension right down here. Just wasn't pulling. See? So I don't know why I'm not getting any tension. Maybe it's the angle. There you go. Hey, let's just move this down one. Let's move this down now. Create the angle right here. There you go. I think we on to something. Gotta create that angle. Gotta get that pull, 2 opposite directions. Let's see. That should work here now. There we go. There she goes. That's how you do it. Ah, look. Got a little too happy. Too soon. Ain't this about to be? Come on, man. Get in there. So I was dropping the hook through the rub rail the wrong way. Kind of wanted it to go the opposite way. So that's why it kept coming out. Man, this is little stuff. You gotta learn here, man. Seeing it head first. It's your T-hook. T-hook, John Deere Securement. I never seen nobody do a video on this. I have them all in the comments. Talking crazy, man. You gonna have a bunch of T-hook masters in the comments. So basically I was having a problem getting tension because I dropped the hook down and came this direction. So every time I tried to tighten it, see the face of the hook is pointing towards the rear of the trailer, and I'm getting that tension, so it's hooking that way. But when I dropped it the opposite way, it wasn't creating any tension. So see how that hook's pulling that way, that hook is pulling that way, This hook is pulling this way, this hook is pulling this way, and this hook is going upward. So I decided to put this other T-hook in, y'all. I gotta climb in there and dig and do all of that. Whew. You know, man, it's like when it's your load, man, it's always about safety, man. That extra 30 minutes can save you hours taking pictures on the side of the road because of an accident. So I'm go ahead and knock this out and flag it up in the morning. Put my flags on in the morning. Hopefully I could get a good grab first try. Because really I just want to make it bite here. But I know this crap won't be in the way, man. So we're going to figure this out. A belly wrap right here. So John Deere securement, man. This ain't no joke right here. It's supposed to be 11 feet, 11 inches wide, but it's not that as you can see, man. I might do this other T-hook. I might call it a night. Look like it's about to rain. Each situation is different. There's no one way to do it. Every situation is different. So I can't really go up over top of that with all that electrical equipment with straps. So I think I'm comfortable with this. I mean, I could put another chain and T-hook on the other side, but I think I'm comfortable with this. Let me check out the other side real quick. Flatbed gang in the building. So this is how it looks on the other side. That's how I ran my T-hook over here. See, it's loose here, but tension is on this side and where the binder is. Now I could do another one right there. And that's gonna be crazy. Cause I'm gonna have to climb inside of there again. I could do another one right there. I think I'm okay with that, man. So you see, Ghost Dog got a T-hook in there, pretty sturdy. A little bit of slack, all the slack in the middle, but it's pretty. You get a little bit of play right there. Ghost Dog. Ghost Dog. Do all this, man. Ghost Dog. Ghost Dog in there. Ghost Dog. Had to climb in here, get a belly wrap, 2 straps over the top. I mean, you'll just mess up my edge protection. Climb in there, had to climb in there. Had to climb in here. All these are straps. All this is stuff that was hidden on this load. And right here, T-hook. All these straps. I had to do all of this. It's the oversized load. Ghost Dog. Ghost Dog. Ghost Dog.